Namaskar, namaskar, namaskar. In this video, we will discuss neural system and sensory organ of the cockroach. Yes, cockroach neural system and sensory organ we'll see. If we'll see the neural system of the cockroach, the cockroach neural system is fused, segmentally arranged ganglia. They have ganglia. You all know what is ganglia. Ganglia is collection of cell body of the neuron, right? So cockroach ganglia, will see it will be bilobed always. Bilobed means it will seems like one pair of lobular structures are fused. We will count them only one, but they will be, it's like you see this ganglia, it look like the two lobular structure are fused here, right? So fused segmentally arranged ganglia are present, right? Actually, the cockroach body, you all know well, the body is divided into three parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. In head region, one ganglia present that is representing their brain. We are calling it supraesophageal ganglia. Why? Because this ganglia is actually next. I mean the first this supraesophageal ganglia present, and then esophagus present. So as it is anterior to the esophagus, that's why we are calling it supraesophageal ganglia. This supraesophageal ganglia, represent their brain, right? And the supraesophageal ganglia, it supply their antenna, then it supply their compound eye, and it supply their upper lip labrum, right? This supraesophageal ganglia, it is observed that if the head of the cockroach will be cut or it will be removed, the cockroach can survive even 7 days also. Why? Reason is that, you see, only in the head region only supraesophageal ganglia present. Remaining ganglia are present in either thoracic region or abdominal region. So this is supraesophageal ganglia. Next pair of ganglia present posterior to the esophagus. We will call it subesophageal ganglia. This supraesophageal ganglia and subesophageal ganglia is connected by circumesophageal connective, right? This circumesophageal connective is the nerve that supply that connect actually supraesophageal ganglia and subesophageal, connects supraesophageal ganglia and subesophageal ganglia. This subesophageal ganglia is present in prothorax, and then we have another ganglia in the thoracic region and third ganglia. Total 3 ganglia present in the thoracic region. These all ganglia, they are connected by one pair of nerve cord, which is ventrally located, which is solid, which is, I mean, one pair I told. So it's like other invertebrate, their nerve cord is also ventral double solid, right? So 3 ganglia present in the thoracic region. Okay. Subesophageal ganglia, which supply their mandible, which supply their maxilla, and which supply their labium. And then remaining one pair of the thoracic ganglia, they supply muscles of the wing and their legs. Now, in the thoracic region, 6 legs are originating, so they will supply them. And then you see in abdominal region, 6 ganglia are present, right? First ganglia is present in the first segment of the abdomen. Second ganglia present in second segment abdomen. Then third ganglia in third segment. Then fourth, then fifth, then sixth, right? This first ganglia in first segment, second ganglia segment, third ganglia in third segment, fourth ganglia in fourth segment, fifth ganglia in fifth segment. But the sixth ganglia, is present in seventh segment. Remember it. That means in sixth segment, Ganglia is not present. Last ganglia present in 7 segment. So total how many ganglia, student? One is their brain, that is supraesophageal ganglia, and then 9 ganglia. So in cockroach 9 ganglia present, and that all ganglia are connected by double ventral solid nerve cord, and from these e ganglia so many lateral nerves are also rising, right? So this is what their neural system. Okay, now come to the other sensory organ, like they have compound eye, so this cow compound eyes are the dorsolaterally located. Is it? They are black color, they are kidney shaped. Each eye, why we are calling it compound eye? Because each eye have 2000 functional unit, and that each functional unit is hexagonal. Yeah, they are hexagonal, and each unit is called ommatidia. Yeah, each unit is called ommatidia. This ommatidia, each ommatidia have their own lens, right? And the compound eye have, it have more sensitivity, it have less resolution, right? And this compound eye have nocturnal vision. Clear? So what we see in student? More sensitivity, less region, less resolution, nocturnal vision, right? Then you come to their simple eye. This simple eye, is not for visualization. They are present at the base of the each antenna, right? And we are calling them oscillus. This oscillus, is they are very sensitive to change in intensity of light. They are not for vision. And then they have one pair of segmented thread like antenna also, which have sensory organ which help in monitoring the environment. So in this video we saw that what is function of their antenna, what is function of their oscillus, and then we seen their compound eye, then we seen their 9 ganglia, okay, then nerve cord, and then their head having supraesophageal ganglia, right? Remaining we'll see in next video.